You're literally throwing money away if you don't understand this one simple concept. Compound interest is the key to unlocking your financial freedom. Every day, millions of people around the world are missing out on this opportunity. It's like having a superpower that can make your money grow exponentially. But, if you don't know how to harness it, you're leaving money on the table. The concept of compound interest is not new, but it's often misunderstood. In fact, 70% of people don't fully comprehend how it works. This lack of understanding can cost you thousands of dollars in the long run. For example, if you start saving $100 a month at the age of 25, you'll have around $120,000 by the time you're 65. But, if you start just 5 years earlier, you'll have over $200,000. That's the power of compound interest. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make the most of it. Elephants never forget, and I mean never. They can recall things from 20 years ago. Their memory is 5 times stronger than humans, which is a staggering fact. In the wild, elephants use their memory to survive, remembering 300 to 400 family members and thousands of miles of migration routes. This incredible ability is what sets them apart from other animals. Elephants have been observed displaying empathy and cooperation, which is a result of their strong social bonds. These bonds are formed and maintained through their exceptional memory. In fact, studies have shown that elephants can recognize themselves in mirrors, a cognitive ability that's rare in the animal kingdom. Elephants have been known to mourn their dead, visiting graves years after the fact. Their brain structure is similar to that of humans, with a large hippocampus, which is responsible for memory formation. This unique combination of brain structure and social behavior makes elephants one of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. With their impressive memory, elephants can navigate complex social situations with ease. They're able to recall past experiences and apply them to new situations, making them highly adaptable. The concept of memory and its importance in elephant behavior has been studied for decades. Researchers have found that elephants have a highly developed brain, with a large neocortex and a well-developed hippocampus. This brain structure allows them to form and store memories with ease. In fact, studies have shown that elephants can recall memories from up to 20 years ago, which is unprecedented in the animal kingdom. This ability is thought to have evolved as a result of their complex social structures and migration patterns. Elephants have been migrating for thousands of years, and their memory plays a crucial role in this process. They're able to recall watering holes, food sources, and migration routes, which is essential for their survival. Over time, this ability has been refined, allowing elephants to thrive in their environments. The study of elephant behavior has also shed light on the importance of memory in human finance. By understanding how elephants use their memory to their advantage, we can apply similar principles to our own financial decisions. This is where the concept of compound interest comes in. With compound interest, your money can grow exponentially over time, just like an elephant's memory. One of the most fascinating aspects of elephant behavior is their ability to recall social bonds. They're able to remember their family members, including their mothers, sisters, and aunts. This social memory is crucial for their survival, as it allows them to form close bonds and cooperate with each other. In fact, studies have shown that elephants are able to recognize their family members even after 20 years of separation. This is a testament to their incredible memory and social complexity. Elephants have also been observed displaying empathy and cooperation, which is a result of their strong social bonds. For example, they've been known to care for injured family members and even mourn their dead. This level of social complexity is rare in the animal kingdom, and it's a key factor in their success. By studying elephant behavior, we can gain insights into the importance of social bonds and community in our own lives. We can apply these principles to our financial decisions, building strong relationships with our financial advisors and community. This can help us make more informed decisions and achieve our financial goals. Another interesting aspect of elephant behavior is their matriarchal society. Female elephants, also known as matriarchs, play a crucial role in leading their herds. They're able to recall important information, such as migration routes and food sources, which is essential for the survival of their herd. The matriarch's memory is so important that it's often passed down from generation to generation. This ensures that the herd's knowledge and traditions are preserved, even as individual elephants come and go. The matriarch's role is not limited to just memory, however. She is also responsible for making important decisions, such as where to migrate and when to breed. Her experience and wisdom are invaluable to the herd, and she is often sought out for guidance. By studying the matriarchal society of elephants, we can gain insights into the importance of leadership and experience in our own financial decisions. We can apply these principles to our own lives, seeking out experienced financial advisors and leaders to guide us. This can help us make more informed decisions and achieve our financial goals. One surprising fact about elephants is their ability to recognize themselves in mirrors. This cognitive ability is rare in the animal kingdom, and it's a testament to their advanced brain structure. In fact, studies have shown that only a handful of species, including humans, chimpanzees, and dolphins, are able to recognize themselves in mirrors. This ability is known as self-awareness, and it's a key factor in an individual's ability to think and reason. Elephants have been observed using mirrors to inspect their bodies and even practice social behaviors. This level of self-awareness is unprecedented in the animal kingdom, and it's a key factor in their success. By studying elephant behavior, we can gain insights into the importance of self-awareness in our own financial decisions. We can apply these principles to our own lives, taking the time to reflect on our financial goals and decisions. This can help us make more informed decisions and achieve our financial goals. Self-awareness is essential for making smart financial decisions, and it's a key factor in achieving financial freedom. The concept of compound interest is similar to an elephant's memory in many ways. Both have the ability to grow exponentially over time, and both require patience and dedication to achieve their full potential. With compound interest, your money can grow exponentially over time, just like an elephant's memory. This is because the interest earned on your investment is reinvested, earning even more interest in the future. This creates a snowball effect, where your investment grows faster and faster over time. By understanding how compound interest works, you can make informed decisions about your investments and achieve your financial goals. Compound interest is a powerful tool, and it's essential for achieving financial freedom. By harnessing its power, you can build wealth over time and achieve your financial goals. This is where the concept of compound interest comes in, and it's essential for making smart financial decisions. In India, for example, the concept of compound interest is often used in systematic investment plans, or SIPs. A SIP is a type of investment where a fixed amount of money is invested at regular intervals, usually monthly. This allows investors to take advantage of the power of compound interest, earning higher returns over time. For example, if you invest 1,000 rupees per month in a SIP, you can earn up to 15% returns per annum, depending on the fund's performance. This can translate to thousands of rupees in returns over the course of a year. The Nifty and Sensex are two popular indices in India, and they're often used as benchmarks for SIPs. By investing in a SIP, you can take advantage of the power of compound interest and earn higher returns over time. This is especially useful for long-term investments, such as retirement planning or saving for a down payment on a house. The EMI, or equated monthly installment, is another popular financial instrument in India, and it's often used to purchase big-ticket items like cars or homes. Let's take the example of Rohan, a 30-year-old software engineer from Mumbai. Rohan started investing in a SIP 5 years ago, with a monthly investment of 5,000 rupees. Over the course of 5 years, he's earned an average return of 12% per annum, which has translated to a total return of over 1.5 lakhs rupees. This is a significant amount of money, and it's a testament to the power of compound interest. Rohan's investment has grown exponentially over time, and he's now able to afford a down payment on a house. He's also able to save for his retirement, which is a key financial goal for many Indians. By starting early and being consistent, Rohan has been able to harness the power of compound interest and achieve his financial goals. His story is an inspiration to many, and it highlights the importance of starting early and being consistent when it comes to investing. Rohan's example shows that compound interest can be a powerful tool for achieving financial freedom, and it's essential for making smart financial decisions. The one rule to remember is that compound interest is a powerful tool that can help you achieve financial freedom. By understanding how it works and harnessing its power, you can build wealth over time and achieve your financial goals. It's essential to start early and be consistent, as the power of compound interest grows exponentially over time. Don't throw your money away by not understanding this simple concept. Take the time to learn about compound interest and how it can work for you. With this knowledge, you'll be able to make informed decisions about your investments and achieve your financial goals. Remember, every day counts, and the sooner you start, the better. So, take the first step today and start building your wealth with the power of compound interest. By doing so, you'll be able to achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always wanted. Don't wait any longer. Start now and take control of your financial future. The power of compound interest is in your hands, so use it wisely.